I try riding different locations all the time. I've done the BC bike race, which is 7 days in BC. I've ridden in Utah, Colorado to Utah, which is more desert riding, Cockapelli Trails, 5-day trail. I've ridden in Las Vegas, so I like looking at new things. I've ridden in Italy and stuff like that. Riding in Swaziland is really cool. I mean, the vistas were amazing. So it was brutal yesterday. The hills are there. The hills don't scare me, except at the end of the day. They always scare you. Just seeing the locals, you know, it's actually a strange thing. So in North America, it's now Halloween. So they do trick-or-treating. And so the kids, they walk around with a pillowcase full of candy, get home and they throw the candy away. Well, yeah, you look at the little guys asking for one. The camaraderie, listening to all the South African accents again, and the seriousness and the banter of people. So, you know, I really enjoy that part. Where we are, there's a lot of people from different countries that ride together. So, you know, Latin America, North America, Europe. And so it's a different kind of humor. People don't laugh at themselves, whereas South Africans can make fun of each other and not get offended. We've always got to be politically correct so you don't offend anybody. So it's really nice to cycle in places like this.
I mean, I've grown up next to Swaziland, and every opportunity I get, I try and cross over here for exactly that reason. The people are extremely relaxed, very friendly. There's no issues here. You know, it's just a really good vibe in Swazi, and people are just accommodating. And nothing's ever an issue with the Swazi. And this whole race actually reflects that. Everything is relaxed and it just happens and no one stresses about anything. So it's pretty in tune with what Eswatini is about.